Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video we're going to be talking about underrated products that actually work and that will blow your mind away. So the first product we have right here is from Deconstruct. This one is their salicylic acid body wash, which has 1% salicylic acid and 2% glycolic acid. Now, if you're someone who has body acne, you have itchy, bumpy skin, you are going to love this body wash. I have been using this for almost a month now consistently, and I love how my skin feels. It is so much more smoother, and I am someone who has strawberry legs because of constant shaving, and I feel like it is so much more smoother now. I'm sure most of you can relate with me with this, the razor burns, the bumpiness, the itchiness and all of that. So using a body wash like this is actually a game changer. It is a gentle exfoliating body wash that gets rid of that dead skin cells without making your skin dry, without making it all the more itchy. So it also contains these cellulose beads which exfoliates your skin, and it immediately disperses onto your skin once you apply it onto your body. Okay, so it's not something that is too harsh. Now this is a fragrance-free body wash that is through and through designed to solve certain concerns and solve a purpose. So if you're someone who has keratosis pilaris, or you have body acne and you have a lot of breakouts ever so often, this is the body wash you should be looking out for. Another thing that I noticed is because of the exfoliating nature of this body wash, I feel like it actually tackles your body odor to a great extent, and which actually caught me by surprise because I expect these fragrant body washes to do that for me. But you know, the fragrance in that body wash lasts just for like about 2 to 3 minutes post shower, and after which I have to use my regular deodorants to keep me smelling fresh throughout. But when I was testing this body wash out, I didn't use my regular deodorants, and I just wanted to try it out and see how it works out for me. And I was caught by surprise because there was no body odor peeking through, and like I mentioned, I didn't even use my regular deodorants, and I was really surprised. So that goes to say that you don't choose a body wash just because of the way it smells or by the looks of it. You actually choose a body wash with good amount of active ingredients in it that can actually solve a purpose for you, instead of just smelling good for like 2 to 3 minutes and then vanishing away. And most of those fragrant body washes I have found, like I mentioned in so many of my videos, that can be really stripping for me, and it can dry my skin out. So if you have like itchiness due to like a breakout or acne, and especially during the summer months and you just sweat a lot, I think you would really enjoy using this body wash. This is something I highly recommend you guys try out. I will make sure to link this product in the description box below for you to check it out. And oh my god, I've been blown away with this, that I actually picked up another backup of this body wash because of the way it is performing for me. I just love how soft and smooth my skin is feeling, and so much more even toned after using this body wash. So yeah, definitely do check this product out if you have all of the above concerns that I mentioned and you're looking for a good body wash that solves a purpose, not a fragrant rich body wash. So yeah, the smell, you can actually smell the actives in this, so you don't expect any crazy like floral scents or anything in terms of fragrance with this body wash. Another product that is, in my personal opinion, still underrated because a lot of people don't really believe that this can give you good results, but I believe that this does. This one is the Wishcare hair growth serum concentrate. Every single time I mention that this is underrated, I get a lot of things like, you know, a lot of creators are mentioning this, so how can it be underrated? Just because some creators are mentioning it, it's not like it's not underrated. Because let me tell you why I still call this underrated is because a lot of people don't know the results that this can actually fetch you, and a lot of people actually don't believe it because maybe it's talked about too much that you feel like, okay, every other video is sponsored, maybe this is not really a good hair growth serum. But for me, I have gone through 2 bottles of this one and it has worked like a charm. I had so much of like hair receding. Can you see this baby hair that's growing right here? Yeah, it's because of this serum and being consistent with this. You can apply this overnight. You don't really have to wash this one out, and it doesn't weigh your hair down, and it's not something that makes your hair oily. So you just have to spritz the product on like that. It comes with that pump kind of a packaging, but I do feel like you get very little quantity with this. That's my only problem with this particular product, because I tend to go through this quite often. So it has 3% Redensyl, 4 Anagain, works like a charm. And I've not seen any other serum in this price range. Maybe I will try out a couple of other hair growth serums in the future and let you guys know. I've tried out some from Ordinary and Minimalist. They didn't give me the result this one did. Okay, that's the reason I'm always talking about this particular product. It is so good. So a lot of people mention that once you stop using this, maybe you won't have that kind of result. Like straight up, I don't think it reduces my hair fall to a great extent, so I'm not using it for that purpose. Maybe once my hair is grown out a little bit here, like wherever I see a little bit of hair growth and it's reached a certain length where it's not going to shed off that soon, maybe I will stop using it. I'm not sure, okay? But my urge is to constantly repurchase this because right now I'm not sure if I can stop using it anytime. When it comes to hair, this is a combo that I love for my color treated hair. As soon as I like get it colored, this is the shampoo and hair mask that I switch out to, okay? Because this is recommended to use for color treated hair. This one is the System Professional Color Save shampoo and hair mask. The way this one takes care of your color treated hair, I feel like I've not seen that in a long time in any other product. Like, yeah, once my hair color has been worn out, you know, it's been 7 months since I colored my hair, I do like switch out to other shampoos because these are pricey and I can't keep repurchasing this. This shampoo is for 1,800 and this mask is for 2,000 rupees, so it's not cheap, and I picked it up on a discount, and even then I'm like, oh my god, because I pretty much have to use this at least twice a week. So once my hair color is like, you know, it's worn out, you know, it's been a while since I've colored my hair, I switch out to other shampoos. But when it's like freshly color treated and I want my color to look a lot more shiny, I want my hair to look a lot more shiny, the color more predominant, and I want to like protect my hair as much as I can, this is the shampoo and conditioner I use. It makes your hair so soft, you don't really have any like intense crazy amount of hair fall, and it doesn't make your hair dry and frizzy. Most of the times, you know, after hair color, sometimes the kind of hair colors they use, maybe the proportion of it, the brand and everything, it can strip your hair dry. It might look little too dry and frizzy, but it doesn't happen to me with this particular combo, and I don't really even have to use a lot of leave-in treatments post hair wash if I use. Now if my hair looks a little bit like dryish or whatever, it's because I Dysoned my hair. Every single time I Dyson my hair looks like this, and I'm like, learn to deal with it. I'm not sure what else to do because I cannot get the curls from the Dyson to last for a very long time on my hair, and I need to use a lot of products just to keep that curl in place. And it's not for someone of like my kind of hair. I have like really straight silky hair and it doesn't hold for a very, very long time in my opinion, okay? But there's one product that can keep your curls in place for a decent amount of time if you have my kind of hair, and that is the Schwarzkopf Taft Power Hair Mousse. So I got this one after I watched a video, and someone mentioned that, you know, the key to keeping the curls in place for a Dyson is you use a hair mousse, and that's the reason I got it. And I feel like it has a decent amount of hold. Like usually it will fall flat right after I've Dysoned my hair, and right now it's not, and I didn't even spend that much time in doing it up. So yeah, I feel like it's a pretty good product, and it was not even that expensive. I think I got it for around 300 rupees. Yeah, it was for 450 rupees. I got it on a discount on Myntra. Usually like in 10 minutes, like poker straight again. At least now I can see some amount of curls. Maybe I have to figure out how to use the Dyson properly. It's been a while. It's been a year or more than that, and I still haven't figured it out. But I've tried out most of the products, and this is what has given me the most amount of hold, and also my Bee Blunt hairspray. That gives me pretty good hold. And then a face wash, which I have talked about before in shorts, and I want to mention this once again, is the Within Beauty Fresh Start Barrier Boost Cream Cleanser. This is one of the best cleansers I have tried out. This is a ceramide based cleanser which is not drying, not stripping on the skin, and it also takes off all of that makeup residue as part of your double cleanse, but it feels so nice and hydrating, you know. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't burn, it doesn't sting, and even if you happen to get it around your eye area, it again doesn't burn. And I love this cleanser. It's actually empty. I have to repurchase it, but I have so many cleansers and I'm always constantly trying out a lot of new products. I get sent a lot of products. I'm not repurchasing this yet, but I love this. So if you're someone who has a compromised skin barrier, you're okay with a little bit of fragrance, but you still want to try a really good, nice ceramide based cleanser that is a little bit hydrating on the skin, that doesn't compromise on your skin barrier, doesn't aggravate the situation on your face, try this out. And then the last product I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is the Aqualogica body mist. I recently did get this sent to me, and I was testing out all of the fragrances. All of it is really nice, but my absolute favorite is this one in Dewy Floral Kiss. And just the cap of this is so tight. Yeah, oh my god, this smells so divine, you guys. There was a perfume I picked up from Pull&Bear years ago, okay, in Singapore, and that had this exact fragrance note, that is Lily of the Valley. And every single time I see a fragrance or body mist with Lily of the Valley, I always sniff to see if it smells similar to that, and I could never find it for the longest time. And when I sniffed this one, I was like, oh my god, it smells exactly like that. It smells exactly like that. But that was a perfume and this is a body mist. Of course, body mists don't last as long and they're not as strong as an EDP or an EDT, but it is pretty good for like everyday use. And when I'm going to the gym and everything, I like to spritz this on. It smells so floral, so like a sweet, it is a sweet floral scent. It smells so nice and like feminine. I love this scent. This is my favorite from that and it's so good. You can also spritz this one on your hair. It doesn't dry your hair out and even your hair smells really good. But yeah, you have to constantly reapply a body mist. And of course, if you apply it on your outfit, it smells a lot like it holds on a little bit longer. And every single time I spritz this and someone walks into my studio, they're like, why does it smell so good? Because it's this one, it smells that good and it's just so underrated because I haven't heard a lot of people talk about this. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the products I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also let me know what other videos you would like to watch in the future in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.